Chattanooga, that will go down as their second wettest day on record was yesterday. About 6.5 inches officially reported. Rainfall totals for us in Knoxville, we got close to that, about 4 or 5 inches in some spots. This is going to be East Knox County near the Dandridge area, 5.7, 5 inches, 5.1. I'm seeing a lot of 4 to 5, even close to 6 inches radar estimated. We'll get those official totals once the day is done. And starting to dry out a little bit. Crossville looking overcast, but mainly dry across the area. About 79 Knoxville, Maryville, 84 Tellico Plains, 77 in Crossville, 76 in Pikeville. So those clouds, that rain keeping us cool, but still very sticky. Sticky to tropical feel is out there. Here's the last hour, not much. About 95+% of us are dry. Little new shower starting to pop up near the Tellico Plains area. I expect we see another shower or two, especially towards our south. This is looking across the evening. Again, most of us staying dry, but a couple pop-up showers and storms are very much possible as we head over the next several hours. The main story will be the clouds and a bit of a cooler temperature, a little break from the heat for this afternoon. 72 tonight, waking up for your Thursday, some upper 60s across the plateau to southeast Kentucky, 68 in Crossville, 70 to Pikeville. And let's get you out the door for your morning, about upper 60s to near 70 degrees, and then we'll eventually top out near 87. So we're starting to get back to the more average temperatures. Average for this time of year is 88. We'll be pretty close to that, or just under 87 in Knoxville, Maryville, 88 Loudoun to Pikeville and Spring City, Kingston as well at 88. The moisture will stay really high, which means clouds will definitely be there and more rain chances. Maybe not quite as high today. Moisture levels were about what it's supposed to be, and then about 50% more. Tomorrow it's more like 30% more. So at least some scattered showers and storms. Looks like the valley has some of the best chances, and then out towards the plateau as well. So usually the mountains we've been talking about having the better chances. I think it's a little bit of a reverse tomorrow, but we don't all see it. Not quite as widespread, not quite as heavy tomorrow, at least not for many of us, but still that 1 out of 4 flooding risk does exist, especially where those places today saw a lot of rain. We do it all again Friday. Less moisture throughout the atmosphere, still a lot of moisture closer to the surface. We're warming up to the low 90s for many of us, about 91. Enough moisture that we may squeak out a shower or storm or two, but it's much less coverage, a lot more speckled, very widely scattered to even more isolated. So a lot of us do stay dry after tomorrow, Friday going into the weekend. Let's go ahead and time out. These warmer colors are how much moisture is in the air, not heat. And you notice the cooler colors, less moisture starting to come in. This is Friday, and then going into Saturday, even cooler colors, meaning less moisture throughout the entire atmosphere. It still stays very, very sticky closer to the surface in the lower atmosphere. We keep enough moisture that will squeak out a shower or two, mainly in the mountain regions, and then that moisture does come back as we head towards Wednesday. But look, this is the lower levels of the atmosphere closer to the surface. We stay tropical for the next 7 days. Temperatures will be in the low to maybe mid-90s, but these heat indices continue to go up because of that moisture. We're talking about near triple-digit heat indices every single day for the next 7. Again, average right now is 88. We'll be about there to maybe up to 5 degrees hotter than that with those very limited summertime type of pop-up showers and storms.